Hello children, this is your Nalina ma'am. Today I come with a beautiful lesson of the ugly duckling. Let us start the lesson children. Say children, it was a hot summer day. Yes children, what is the day? The day was a hot summer day. So the sun was shining on a old house near a river. See, where was the sun shining? The sun shining was on a old house near a river. So, a mother duck was sitting on 10 eggs. Where was the mother duck was sitting? So, a mother duck was sitting on a 10 eggs. So, one by one, all the eggs broke. So, I told you, no, the mother duck was sitting on 10 eggs. So, one by one, all eggs broke. Listen, children, the duck sitting on the eggs is called as brooding. When a duck sit on eggs, so that brooding will provide the heat for the eggs. When the brooding provide the heat, the eggs will break down and the young one of ducks, they will come outside. So what we call a young one of duck? So young one of duck is called ducklings. So one by one, when the mother duck was sitting on 10 eggs, so one by one, all the eggs broke. Only the biggest egg did not break. So, already I told you, the mother egg was sitting on how many eggs? 10 eggs. So, one by one, all the eggs broke, but only the one biggest egg did not break. Are you understand, children? All other 9 eggs broke and a beautiful ducklings were come out, but only one biggest egg did not break. So mother duck sat on the big egg. At last it broke open. So mother saw that only one biggest egg was not broken. So mother duck again she sat on the big egg. So at last that biggest egg also broke and open. So when that biggest egg opened, so at last, it broke open. Then out jumped out of the last baby duck. So the last baby duck come out from that biggest egg. So it was big and also a strong. Because already I told you the egg even itself it is a big one. So the duckling also very big and also it is very strong. So what is the opposite of strong? Big. So strong, big. So last duckling that come out of a big egg, biggest egg, no, that is very big and also it is very strong. But it was grey and ugly. Though that biggest duckling was a big and a strong children, but it was a grey and ugly. What is ugly? Ugly is not beautiful. What is ugly? Not beautiful. So what is the opposite of ugly? Ugly, beautiful. So that duckling was not beautiful, but it is big and strong, but it was not beautiful. The next day, Mother Duck took all the little ducks to the river. She jumped into it. All her baby ducks jumped in. The big ugly duckling jumped in too. Okay, next day, the mother duck took all the little ducks to the river. Where does the mother took all the ducklings? So, mother duck took all the little ducks to the river. Firstly, the mother jumped into it. So, after that, all her baby ducks also, they are jumped in the river. And even the big ugly duckling also jumped in the river. You know, children, what happened next day? The next day, mother duck took all the little ducklings to the river. Firstly, mother jumped into the river. Then all baby ducks also jumped and also our big ugly duckling also jumped into. They swam together. The ugly duckling swam the best. So all ducklings were swam together. Swam, swimming children. Swam is a past tense of swim. Okay. They're all swim together in the river. The ugly duckling swam the best. All the ducklings were swim in the river. But you know children that our ugly duckling swim the best. Very best. It is the best one in the swimming. Then quack quack, come with me to the farmyard and play, said mother duck to the baby ducks. After some times, mother duck told other ducks, their baby ducks, that quack quack. You know children how the ducks were make a sound. Yes, it is quack quack. Then mother duck told that come with me to the farmyard and we should play there, said the mother duck to the other baby ducks. The farmyard was very noisy. The poor duckling was unhappy there. The hens pecked him. The ducks bit him. The farmer kicked him. The poor duckling was sad. You know children what happened in the farmyard? Yes, that farmyard was very noisy. So the poor duckling was very unhappy there. See, in that format, we can not only found these ducks, we can found hens and many birds and animals. We can found that farmyard. So the farmyard were very noisy. Our poor duckling was unhappy there. The hens pecked him. You know what is peck? So bite something with its beak. So hens bite our duckling with its beaks. Okay. So pecked. So that is biting or eating something with a beak. Then the ducks bit him, and also the farmer kicked this ugly duckling. Then the poor duckling was so sad because the duckling was ugly. That's not beautiful. Because of that, the hens pecked him, the ducks bit him, and also the farmer kicked him. Because of that, our poor duckling was so sad. Are you understand children? Then, so already I told you our duckling was so sad. Then one day our duckling ran away. So where he reached? He reached a river. So one day what happened? Our duckling ran away. Then duckling reached a river. There he saw many beautiful birds. Okay, children. So in that river, the duckling saw many beautiful birds swimming there. And birds swimming there, their feathers were white. So what is the feathers of that bird's color? It is white. So when our ugly duckling reached to the river, there he saw many birds are swimming in the river. Okay. So the feathers of this bird colors is white. Their necks were so long. Their wings were very pretty. Okay, pretty, it is beautiful. Okay, so when this ugly duckling saw that many beautiful birds are swimming in the river, so feathers of that beautiful birds are white in color and their necks are too long and their wings were very pretty, very beautiful. So the big birds told the little duckling, we are swans. Then they flew away. So the bird saw the duckling. The ugly duckling was standing near bank of the river. So the big bird told the little duckling that we are swans. So which bird that is? Swan. Okay. And then they flew away. So already we know that many birds are swimming in the river. Okay, children, swimming in the river. Their feathers were white, necks are long, and their wings are very pretty. Okay, so one of the birds, the big birds among that many swans, they told that We are swans. Then they flew away. Okay, children, you can see the pictures here, no? You can see the picture of that swan. How, see, their feathers are white, their necks are too long, and their wings are very pretty. Isn't, children? You can see here. Just see the pictures in the textbook. Okay. Then after some time, soon it was winter come. Okay, when the story started, it was summer. I already told you when the story started, it was a hot summer day. Okay, now it was winter. So as you know that in winter we can find everywhere a cool and a cold. Okay, soon it was a winter. So everything was white with snow. So because of weather is very cold. Because of that, everything was white and also with snow. The river also covered with ice. So our ugly duckling was cold and also it is unhappy because he can't see that beautiful swan. Because the river become a very cold, then the swan birds will not come to there for swimming. Because of that, ugly duckling was also very unhappy. Unhappy, what is the opposite of unhappy? Happy. Then after the winter, spring came once again. You know, children, what is spring? Spring is also a season. It comes after a winter and before a summer. Okay. Spring is also a season. It comes between the winter and a summer. Once again, the spring came once again. The sun was warm. Everything was fresh and green. You know, in winter, everything was very cool and cold. But when the spring comes, again the sun become very warm. And everything become very fresh and green. We can find a green leaves and a freshness in everywhere. So, one morning, the ugly duckling saw the beautiful swan again. So, when the warm come, I told why in winter our duckling was unhappy because he can't find the swans. Because of that, the river become a cool. Because of that, swan did not come to swim there. Because of that, our ugly duckling was very unhappy. Now, one morning, when spring come, one morning, the ugly duckling saw the beautiful swan again. So, when spring comes, one morning, our ugly duckling saw a beautiful swan again, children. So, when he saw the beautiful duckling, become very happy, and so he ran into the river. So when our ugly duckling one morning, it saw a beautiful swan again on a river. So he ran into the river. He wanted to swim with them in the river. So duckling wanted to swim with them in the river. But he was afraid. What is afraid? Scared, fearness or scared. Because of scared, because you know that everybody is beating, pecking, some hens are pecked him and some ducks are bit him and even farmer kicked him because of his ugliness. Because of that, is scared. He wanted to swim with the swans, but was afraid of them to ask them. So he wanted, to die. So he was become very sad, very unhappy because of his ugliness. So Swan decided to die. He looked into the water. When he decided to die, he looked into the water, children. There in the water, he saw a beautiful swan. See, when our ugly duckling wanted to die, he looked into the water. So in the water, what he saw? He saw a beautiful swan. That is a reflection or image of him. Now, our ugly duckling had converted into a beautiful swan. He changed into a beautiful swan. He was no more an ugly duckling. He was a beautiful white swan. So he was very happy. Already I know, children, we are that our ugly duckling was so sad because of its ugliness, because of its color and ugliness. No one is like that duckling. So he decided to die. So when he looked into the water, there he saw a beautiful swan. he was no more an ugly duckling now. Now it changes as they changed as a beautiful white swan. So when it born, its color is gray. Is it, children? It is ugly. Then its color is gray. But now it has changed as a beautiful white swan. Now our ugly duckling was very happy. So dear children, are you understand the lesson? Our ugly duckling, how our ugly duckling faced many problems in the beginning. Then at the end of the lesson, how it is, how the it has been changed. Yes, children, I think you enjoy a beautiful story, and I will again come with a another beautiful story. Okay, bye bye.